so embarrassed. I didn't see that. So I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, this is my best video ever. What's in my new bag? I just bought it today with little things and everything. It's kind of pink, so cute. I love it. It got little rings. Yeah, I got them. Who's here? That was my mom. Wait, let me open it. Can we open it? Oh, she walked out. She walked out from my home. Oh, well, that's I'll show you my back later. Gotta go eat.